Hey everybody, Greg from Park Journey here, here for a new West Coast Racers update. As you can see behind me, I'll show you in just a second. There's been a lot of updates since our last update. So let's go ahead right in. And one of the comments on the last update was, get to it. So let's go ahead and get to it. So I hope you enjoy the update.
So here you can see the entrance to the new ride and the entrance to the all new area. The underground is slowly taking shape. A little bit of the spaghetti bowl here, and then the entrance to the underground will be right below where you see the supports there. So some cool looking supports that will be a nice welcome to the new area. A little bit of zoom in there so you can see some of the supports. Apparently they have some more footers to pour down a little bit further down onto the ride. To the left there you can see the launch. A little bit of a zoom in on the launch there and the final brake run. A little bit more of the spaghetti bowl elements. We had to get a little bit of creative here on this update. As you can see, there was a board up all across the wall, so whether the park put it up or a construction worker put it up. So as you can see, we had to get a little bit creative with it. But here you can see the full way down, the launch and the hi-hat elements. And then over to the right, the midway that you'll be walking down to the underground. So heading up to Samurai Summit, you'll see a little bit of an overview. And we'll zoom in on all this in just a second here. Hey Jetstream. So there is the high five element. Well sides are complete. And then as we take a look at Apocalypse as well, you'll see a lot of retracking going on. We did have the good camera today, so make sure you check out the full update for all of that. And then the spaghetti bowl element there. And the entrance to the area where we just were down below. A little bit more zoom in. Hey Ninja, what's up? So you can see there's still quite a bit of work to do on the back side of the ride. As I mentioned earlier, there's some footers that still need to be poured. They have to go down 60 feet, which takes quite a while to cure before they can actually do anything. And again, the land clearing behind on the hills there, that is not for Six Flags Magic Mountain. That is for homes and shopping centers and all kinds of stuff. So this view will look quite different in a few years here. We'll go ahead and zoom in a little bit here, give you hopefully a clearer look. This is from the exit of Ninja. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure that you click and subscribe to our channel. We've got a lot of great stuff coming up. We'll be at Max Force Media Day at Six Flags Great America on July 2nd. Thanks again.